Hello guys, my name is Rogelio, yung tropang vlogger. In this video, we're gonna do some bike check about this Lapierre 527 bike. If you like this kind of content, I would like you to hit the subscribe and bell notification for you not to miss our future videos.
This is the Lapierre 527, a downhill bike that is previously ridden by the famous downhill rider Loic Bruni. The frame is made up of aluminum with a 210mm of rear travel. Lapierre uses their own design, SupraLink technology suspension linkage that is paired with a Fox DHX RC2 rear suspension. The fork is a Fox 40 dual crown with a 200mm of travel with a custom fender that looks cool. The handlebar is an ODI 760mm wide and 40mm rise, paired with a 50mm direct mount hope stem and a lizard skin lock-on handlebar grips. It has a Shimano Z lever and a quad piston caliper paired with a Shimano XT 203mm of rotor. The shifter is a 10-speed SRAM GX that controls SRAM GX rear derailleur and a SRAM cassette with a range of 11 to 32 feet of cogs. The pedal is a Crank Brothers Stump 3, size large, while the crankset is a raised face gesture with a 32 teeth Dartmoor chainring. On the wheelset, both front and rear uses a Maxxis Assegai tubeless ready exo casing 2.5 wheat tire, a Hope rims 32mm reed, and a Hope Pro 4 hubs. And finally, it uses the Lapierre 30.9 seat post and an SDG radar saddle. This bike is a full-breed downhill bike that can do all the beatings. What do you think about this bike? Comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification for you not to miss future videos.